Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to simplify the following. Well, I saw that this particular numerator here, there is a common factor 2. So that's the first thing that comes to Mr. Tan's mind. I'm going to take out 2 as the common factor. I'm left with x minus 3. Okay. The next thing is that I saw that we are going to divide by a fraction. So if that's the case, I'm going to have to share with you that when we divide by a fraction, it is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal, meaning the x plus 1 will become the numerator. The x minus 3 in this case will become the denominator. And also x plus 1 square. This, you will see Mr. Tan rewriting this as x plus 1 times x plus 1, so that it becomes pretty straightforward now. The numerator, if the bracket is the same, I could divide them off. They will give me 1 over 1. X minus 3 can divide by x minus 3 to give me 1 over 1. So final answer, the numerator left 2. The denominator left x plus 1. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.